Ranked choice voting allows voters to choose candidates in order of preference. The votes are tabulated in rounds until only 2 candidates remain, and one candidate is determined to have received the majority of the votes in the final round. That candidate is then declared the winner. Here's how the tabulation works. Let's assume that there are 4 candidates for the United States Senate. Let's say that blue is your first choice, the person you would most like to see win for that elected office. Yellow is your second choice, and if neither of them can win, you'd rather see purple in that office before orange. So you rank purple third and orange fourth. You are not required to choose more than one candidate if you do not want to participate in ranking. Your first choice candidate for that office will be counted on election night. If no candidate receives a majority, the voting will move into ranked choice voting rounds. Let's take a look at how all those votes will be tabulated. On election night, none of our candidates got a majority of the votes. So we move into round 1 of the ranked choice process. Orange received the fewest votes, so it will be eliminated from the race. But the people who voted for orange as their first choice will still have a voice. Their second choice candidate will be revealed, and their vote will go to that candidate. In our example, 3 of the people who voted for orange chose blue as their second choice. So blue receives 3 more votes in round 1, bringing its total to 11. The other 2 people who voted for orange chose purple as their second choice, so purple receives 2 more votes in round 1, bringing its total to 9. Yellow's votes are also moved into this round. The round 1 totals are blue 11, yellow 10, purple 9. Now we're on to round 2. Purple is eliminated, but purple voters still have a voice in round 2. Those 7 people who voted for purple as their first choice will have their second choice revealed. Of those 7 voters, 4 voted for orange and 3 voted for blue. Orange is no longer in the race, so those ballots are exhausted and are removed from the count, since these voters did not rank any other candidates. The 3 votes for blue are added to the total for blue, bringing blue's total to 14. Now we look at those 2 votes that purple received when orange was eliminated. These voters chose orange first and purple second. Now we look at their third choice. These voters chose yellow as their third choice, so their votes go to yellow. Yellow now has 12 votes and blue has 14. Thus, in round 3, the votes for blue and yellow move forward. With only 2 candidates remaining, blue has the majority. Blue is named the winner of the election. Here are a few things to keep in mind when you're marking your ranked choice ballot. If you vote for more than one candidate in a single ranking, your vote won't count since we won't be able to tell which candidate you really want. In this example, the skipped ranking will be ignored and Spider-Man will be counted as your second choice. If you only want to vote for one candidate, you can do so. If you choose the same candidate in multiple rankings, only your first choice vote will be counted and will carry forward into subsequent rounds, so this is the same as a single first choice vote.